I'm going to solve this question that says that we should find the value of y in terms of x, where 2 log y base a minus 3 log a base x squared equals to this. Now, from we know that these two can still come up to this place, go. Again, these can still come up to this, go. Here we can see that here we have log y squared, meaning base a, minus here we can say that log x squared times 3 base a equals to what? Log a root xy is something as 1 all over 2. As we all know, this log of indices plus what? Log x base a. Now, then you collect like terms. Anything regarding x should go to this side, anything regarding y should come to this side. Now we have log y squared base a. This is supposed to be here. When you cross this side, it will become what? Negative. Minus log y1 all over 2 base a is equal to, now we have here, we have log x base a, this log x here, 2 times x here is 6, will still cross sign, having a negative sign, it will become positive sign, go plus log a x, 2 times 3 here we have 6. So from here we can say that in this case here, we know that log here is negative sign between the two co. We are to divide the powers co. We will have y squared all over y to the power of 1 over 2 base a is equal to what? 2 log, for plus sign, we multiply the numbers x times x power of 6 base a. This becomes log y2 to the power of y1 over 2 equals to what? Log x to the power of 7, because yeah, 1 plus 6 is 7, or x times x to the power of 6 base a. Here, this can cancel out this now. So now we have something like this here. We say that y to the power of 2 all over what? Y to the power of 1 over 2 equals to what? X to the power of 7. So now from here we can use law of indices to solve this question. Since here is division sign co, we can say that here we can have something like this co. Can say that y2 minus 1 all over 2 co is equal to what? X to the power of 7. So now again from here we can say that here 2 to the power of minus 1 over 2 is something as what? 3 all over 2 co is 3 over 2. Here I'm going to solve it. Here in this case we have y here 3 all over 2 is equal to what? X to the power of 7. Now we are going to remove 3 all over 2, 3 y to the power of 3 all over 2. Meaning we are going to multiply, multiply each side by the power of 2, by the reciprocal of 2 over 3. Here we have 2y 3 all over 2 times the power of this, meaning reciprocal of this 2 all over 3 is equal to here x to the power of 7. Here we have y here, 2 cancel out 2, 3 cancel out 3 go. Here times again 2 over what? 3. Here we have x equals to what? X 7 times 2, 14 all over what? 3. So this is y in terms of this is y in terms of x. You can still go on to use law on this root to say the y equals the cube root of x to the power of what? Of 14. Of 14, please. This should be our final answer. We are going to solve this question. The question says express without log, meaning we are going to remove this log sign from this question. So now, the question says here we have log k is equal to now between p and t is what is a negative sign, meaning we have to divide p and t. We say log p over t plus what? This value can come up to this. Go. We have log v power 1.3. So now, here we have log k is equal to between p and t is plus sign to this. When we have to multiply this by the square, we have log p over t times what? b1 point power 1 power 3. Then here becomes log k equals to what? Log pv power 1 over 3 all over t go. Since p times b, log cancel out log. Here we have k equals to what? p v1 to power b to power 1 to 3 over t. This is our final answer. We remove the log sign from the question. Now we are going to find the value of x from this given equation. We have 2 log x plus a minus log x minus 1 base a is equal to log x minus 2 base a. So now in this case, 2 log x plus a conform to this rule. When our 2 can still come back to this place, we have log x square base a minus log x minus 1 base a is equal to what? To log x minus 2 base a. So from here, since between these 2 log is negative sign, you can divide just as like in this rule, we can divide the root, then log x squared, for the layer we have log x squared all over x minus 1 base a is equivalent to what? Log x minus 2 base a. Now, from this case, this can cancel out this. Here we have x squared all over x minus 1 equals to what? X minus 2. Then we can cross multiply here, this by this, we will obtain something like this, Here we have x squared equals to what? X minus 2 times x minus 1. We open the bracket, we have x squared here. We say that x times x squared, x times minus 1 minus x. We have here minus 2 times x minus 2x minus 2 times minus 1 plus 2. So now, here we have x squared here equals to what? X squared, in this case, minus 1x minus 2 equals to minus 3x plus 2. We collect the like terms. Enter regarding x should come to this side. I am going to use this side to solve it, please. Now, this here we have x squared equals to what? X squared minus 3x plus 2. We collect like terms. Here we have x squared in this case. This will cross the side and become negative sign minus x squared will still come here plus 3x equal to what? To 2. X squared minus x squared, 0. We have remaining what? 3x minus equals to what? Equals to 2. We divide both sides by 3 here, 3. Our x equals to 2 all over 3. This is the value of our x, please. So now, we are going to write this equation in log form. Meaning we have to insert log symbols in this equation. Now, this equation r equals to r root of f plus p all by f minus p. This means that this root r here belongs to all this, and this is according to considered is 1 to the power of r. Go. Now we see r equals to all in bracket go f plus p all by f minus p all power of 1 all over r. So this belongs to this belongs to this. So we see that r equals to f plus p power 1 over r minus what? F minus p power 1 all over what? R. Because this belongs to this, is also what belongs to. Now, consider here now, we can take, then we take the log of both sides. We say log r equals to what? Log of what? F plus p to power of 1 over r minus what? All over what? F minus p to power of 1 over r. 1 over what? R. So remember that division sign goes to negative symbol. Then log r equals to log this as our a here go f plus p 1 over r. Since a division sign go, we minus it. Minus again log f minus p all to the power of 1 all over what? R. So you can leave this question like in this case, but you can still write this in form of, you say log r equals to r root of this log r root of f plus p to the power r minus log again r here who f minus p. This should be our answer, please.